Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Gmail in Facebook. So guys, let's continue into your Facebook. Now go to three lines in the right side of the corner. Swipe down. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and then tap on Personal Details. Now go to Personal Details. Now tap on Contact Info. Now tap on Add New Contact and then just tap on Add Email. Now you have to enter here the email that you want to add. So after entering, you have to select your Facebook account and after selecting, just tap on the next bar. And now a code will be sent to the email you provided and you have to enter it. And after entering, just tap on the next bar. And guys, you can see you have added your email to the account selected. And also your email has been added. And that's how you can add Gmail in Facebook very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.